So this is Ainsley's very first time eating cereal, and her daddy's going to give it to her.
Here we go.
Yummy! Is that so good? She likes it. She smiled.
Ainsley, here's some more. Put your hands down. Put your hands down. Here we go. Ainsley. Ainsley. Ainsley, here you go.
She likes it.
Ainsley. At least your eye's hungry. Ainsley. Here you go. Maybe you shouldn't have done the bib.
Yeah, maybe we'd be better off without him.
Ainsley, here we go.
Good job, sweetie. Eat the cereal, baby, not your high chair.
Here you go, baby. Ah! Here we go. Right here. I don't think she's getting any of that down.
It's okay.
Ainsley. Ainsley. Sit up, honey. Ainsley.
Do you want to try leaning the chair back a little? She did better, I think.
Ainsley, here.
Good job, honey. You're doing such a good job. Chudsy wants some cereal. There's Daddy doing all the work.
Ainsley. There you go.
You're doing so good.
Ainsley. Ainsley.
She's fascinated with that buckle.
Ainsley, stop with the buckle. Sit back. Look. Ainsley. She's not interested in this.
That's okay.
She's just spinning it out.
Alright, that was Ainsley's first time with food. Say bye-bye. See you later. Are you gonna at least smile? Say no. Okay.